Hello friends, this is your host Sunil Kakani with view on Nifty and Bank Nifty magic levels for 7th January 2021. Now let us quickly see the key highlights of the day. So today Nifty has formed a bearish candle and the candlestick pattern, if you call, it's a hanging man kind of a candlestick pattern. Now hanging man candlestick pattern, there is a peculiar characteristics which is formed generally at the near the top of the market. You can say this could be the top resistance level for the time being. As I have been mentioning, that overall bullish trend will continue and is going to be continued, but for the time being we may see some kind of a halt or some reversal at this stage. If you see India VIX is gradually increasing daily on a daily basis by 2.5%. Today too, India VIX have increased by 2.61% and has ended at around almost near about just below 21. Now till the time India VIX is about 20, we may see the extreme volatility to continue. If you see the option data indicates a range of around 14,000 to 14,400. 14,000 on the downside and 14,400 on the upside. The maximum put options which are outstanding is at around 13,000 and 13,500, and the call option maximum which is outstanding, call writing which has been witnessed, is at around 14,000 and 14,500 level. Today there was lot of call writing at 14,200 level also, and on the put side for 13,800 level has also seen a bit of put writing at that particular strike price. Now let us quickly see what we had said yesterday and what was our performance. Yesterday we have informed that if Nifty trades above 14,185, we initiate a buy trade for a target price of 14,045. We initiate a sell trade if Nifty trades below 14,185. We initiate a sell trade for a target of 14,045, and see today. Again there is a mistake. It should be a low, made a low of around 14,039, which shows almost 146 points gain. So these are the magic levels that we have given yesterday, and it has performed very well. Now this is the daily candlestick chart, and I'll little zoom out the today's candlestick. See, at the lower level, if you see last 3 days, at the lower level, we are seeing a lot of buying interest. And whenever we go down, we bounce back from the lower level, which shows that there is a lot of liquidity. However, after a long time, today, FOI were the net sellers in the market. They have sold around approximately 4,450 crores today in cash. So they have been pumping liquidity all over around. However, today they were the net sellers. Now let us quickly see the levels, Nifty level, magic levels for tomorrow. Now for tomorrow, the key Nifty magic levels are today. The closing for Nifty is at around 14,146, which is around 53 points below the previous close. Now we initiate a buy trade if Nifty crosses above 14,160 and sustains above this level for 10 to 15 minutes. In that case, the target would be 14,260 and 14,340. Similarly, if Nifty trades below 14,130 and sustains below this level, then we initiate a sell trade for a target of 14,035 and 13,950. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now let us quickly see the daily candlestick chart of Bank Nifty. So on the daily candlestick chart of Bank Nifty, there is an indecisive candle which is a doji. A doji formation has been there in the Bank Nifty, and which is visible on this daily candlestick chart. So let us quickly see the levels for Bank Nifty today. The Bank Nifty has closed at around 31,797, which was 75 points above the previous close. Bank Nifty has shown strength in last 2 days. Vis-a-vis Nifty was underperforming, Bank Nifty has outperformed, and we see this outperformance to continue in near future. So what are the levels of Bank Nifty? If Bank Nifty trades above 31,825 and sustains above this level for 10 to 15 minutes, then the target would be 32,000 and 32,140. Similarly, if Bank Nifty trades below 31,770 and sustains below this level, we initiate a sell trade for a target of 31,590 and 31,440. Now, please do note this level. As you know, this level works really magically in the market. As I always mention, that trading is nothing but buying near support and selling near resistances. And if you remember this mantra, you are never going to lose in the trades. So before I end this video, today there was one script which has shown a great performance, and that is Bharti Airtel. Yes, now Bharti Airtel has today closed above 525, which was its one of a key resistance point. It is closed dead at 525. Now I expect a further up move in this script. This script looks good in near future, and we can see a target of 550 560 in days to come. So this is a quick magic pick, a short quick, or maybe you can say it's a magic bomb. In next a week's time, we may see, that is before, maybe not week, maybe 15 days, we may see a level of 550 560 in Bharti Airtel. So please do remember, trade accordingly. So let us quickly see the disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Views are based on technical analysis only, and any investment and trading decision is to be taken after consulting your financial advisor. So with this, I end my video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to as many people as possible so that everybody get benefited from this level and this stock pick. Thank you very much. All the best. Happy trading.